In this video, I'm going to show you how you can borrow and earn interest of up to 12% with Nexo. If you want to earn interest on your crypto that may be sitting idle in a wallet or an exchange, or if you want to borrow some cash or stablecoins fast, Nexo could be the solution. So let's find out a little bit more about Nexo, plus I'll also show you how you can deposit, earn and instantly borrow from the platform. And for more information on Nexo, please check out everybithelps.co.uk. Launched in 2018 by Credissimo, Nexo state that they provide the world's first instant crypto credit lines, and that they've already processed more than $3 billion for over 1 million clients in over 200 jurisdictions. So how is Nexo different? Well, usually, in traditional banking systems, if you want to borrow money for like a car, a house or for any reason, loan approvals are pretty slow. You have to state what the loan is for, plus you have to go through some credit scrutiny with credit checks based on your credit score. However, with Nexo, they can approve loans in seconds and money is sent straight to your bank account. And this is all done by collateralizing your crypto. Previously, if you wanted to free up some funds, you needed to sell your crypto. However, now, you can simply just use it as collateral to borrow cash or stablecoins. And you can borrow from as little as $10 all the way up to $2 million, but this will obviously depend on your collateral amount. You can also earn daily compounding interest on your crypto or your fiat currency, such as the likes of euros or GBP. Unlike a lot of other platforms or savings accounts, your funds are not locked up and you can withdraw them at any time with zero fees. Nexo also have their own ERC20 utility token, which is Nexo, and this allows token holders to receive discounts on their interest, such as the likes of the ability to earn up to 12% APY for stablecoins and fiat currency deposits. You can get 8% APY for crypto like Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, BNB and EOS. There's reduced interest fees at 5.9% APR for borrowing. And you can earn a portion of Nexo's net profit too, which is shared with the Nexo token holders in the form of dividends. And they're also soon to have their own Nexo card too, which will let you spend the value of your crypto without having to sell it. Cardholders will be able to use the Nexo card just like any other debit card. Simply swipe your card and the payment amount is deducted from the available balance of your instant crypto credit line. And you'll be able to get 2% instant cashback on all purchases. Now, just in terms of security, Nexo partners with the world-renowned custodian BitGo to secure all their crypto assets. BitGo is backed by Goldman Sachs and is cryptocurrency security standard level 3, as well as SOC 2 compliant. Plus, BitGo Custody carries $100 million in insurance protections for a syndicate of underwriters through Louise. So let's jump in and take a look at Nexo now. To get started, you'll need to verify yourself, and at basic level, that just means entering your name, your email address, and verifying your phone number. And to become an advanced level user, you'll need to upload some ID, such as a passport or a driving license. I'd also recommend setting up two-factor authentication as an extra level of security, which can be used with Google Authenticator or Authy, or via SMS. Then once you're signed up or you've logged in, you'll reach your account. And the great thing about Nexo is the fact that it's extremely easy to use. It shows you some steps at the top here. And it'll show your portfolio balance, your available credit and credit line, the total that you've earned and your current loyalty level. Now I have already deposited some funds into here, hence there being a positive value. But because I only deposited a couple of days ago, you can see there's hardly any interest here. Then you have a couple of different options. So you have the option to borrow cash or stablecoins. You can repay loans with crypto, cash or stablecoins. Or you can buy the Nexo tokens, which as I said will give you better rates and borrowing values. You then have a list of all the available currencies and balances. For crypto, you can deposit the likes of Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, LTC, XLM, BNB, EOS and stablecoins, plus fiat currencies like euros and GBP, and it will show you the balance that you have, as well as your available credit line. Now you'll notice that the credit line is 50% of your balance, This is because you can take a Nexo loan equal to up to 50% of the crypto collateral that you deposit. In other words, if your collateral was $10,000, you can get a loan of up to $5,000. Or in my instance, my balance is currently $3,652, and I can borrow $1,927. And this is all done in order to protect the system just in case there is a crash in the value of the crypto, which is obviously extremely volatile. It then shows you the amount of interest that you can earn for your deposited asset, and a bonus of 2%, which we're going to look at in a moment. You can then top up, which is exactly the same thing as depositing, or you can withdraw from here too. And you can do these anytime with no penalty or fees. So how do you actually go about depositing? Well, first thing we're going to do is click onto Top Up, where you're then just simply presented with an associated crypto address. And this is for your deposit to be sent to, or you can also use the QR code. Please ensure though that you do send the correct type of crypto to the address that's shown on screen from your exchange or your wallet. If you send the incorrect type of crypto to this address, you could risk losing all of your funds. So once you've sent your funds across, it will then appear under your balance. You can start to earn 6% interest immediately, and that will be paid in the same currency, i.e. Bitcoin, and that's done daily. And the reason that I can get 6% on this cryptocurrency is because the base here is 5%, and I can get more just by holding 10% of my balance in Nexo tokens. And you can buy those tokens on their site here. Now the Nexo platform doesn't actually have an exchange, so it will take you across to Changelly, which at the time when I went through this did work out to be a little bit expensive. So instead, I actually swapped these over on Uniswap, which I've got a full tutorial for if you wanted to find out more about using that method. Well, this token is also available on 15 other exchanges. Now, in order to take advantage of earning an extra 2% on all your assets held in your savings wallet, you can head across to your settings, which can be found under your profile. Then simply choose to have your interest paid out in Nexo tokens. Now, as I mentioned, you can withdraw your deposit at any time and with zero fees, where you just simply enter in the withdrawal address and the amount that you'd like to withdraw. However, just be aware that there are some minimum withdrawal amounts here that you can find over on their site. But next up, let's take a look at how we can borrow. As I mentioned earlier, once you deposit your funds, you can borrow up to 50% of your balance in cash or stablecoins. So if we click on to borrow, I can withdraw a minimum of $10 in stablecoins to my wallet address that I can input into this section here. So all you need to do is put in the amount that you want to borrow, and then put in the wallet address. Just again make sure that you're putting in the correct wallet address for the type of coin or payout that you choose. Then if you'd like to withdraw and receive funds via bank transfer instead, there's a minimum of $500, and you're going to be prompted to enter in all your bank details at this point. Now the funds, depending on your method, are usually received the same day or possibly the next day. And the loan period starts after your first loan withdrawal at a rate of 5.9% if you're staking their Nexo token, or up to 11.9% as the interest is charged only on what you use and the days that you've borrowed it for. Just be aware though that the loan to value ratio is really important, and it can change especially if the value of the collateral goes down, as the loan to value will then go up. So monitoring your account is really important, especially during market drops. If the price of the crypto asset falls too low, the loan to value will continue to increase, and Nexo will automatically request via SMS and email that you repay your loan or add extra collateral in your credit line wallet. If you don't, there's a threshold where assets from your savings wallet will automatically be moved to your credit line wallet, and if they're insufficient to cover the required loan to value, the collateralized asset will start being sold by Nexo to pay back part of the loan, and this is in order to rebalance the loan to value. With Nexo, this is set at 83.3%, but before all of this happens anyway, you will be notified via SMS and email. Now on the flip side to all of this is that if the value of the collateral increases, your credit line will be automatically increased as well, allowing you to take another loan, for example. Now if you needed to transfer funds from your savings to your credit line wallet, you can click onto the Manage Wallet icon to the right of your crypto, and then choose to transfer between your different wallets. Now, just in terms of your loan repayments, there's no minimums and interest is debited automatically from your available credit limit. You can repay some or all of the loan early in crypto or via bank transfer, and this is to save the interest that you're going to be paying. And it's worth also mentioning that Nexo is currently running a promotion during December where you can earn 3x in BTC for first-time users who deposit their funds between the 1st and the 31st of December 2020. Obviously, Nexo isn't alone in this space, because you also have the likes of BlockFi, which I've also covered, and there's one that I've personally invested in, and another one to look out for is Celsius Network. And Celsius Network also have their own utility token like Nexo. However, both BlockFi and Celsius also offer sign-up offers, so if you want to take a look at those videos or sign up to any of the platforms, then I'll pop links in the summary below. So that concludes my walkthrough of the Nexo platform. And I hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you did then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and please do head over to my website at everybithelps.co.uk for more tips, reviews and step-by-step guides. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.